Una good evening and welcome. Come on for road. They know this. Come on for road now. Una good evening and welcome on top of the night show for today. My name is Nedu, me and Katim and IzyBeatz does it for inside studio to take for make sure say your evening go sweet where we're hard work. Hope say your guy for office not disturb you too much. You be devil. Anyway, for inside studio today, we get guests for inside studio today. Our guests for inside studio today. Now, people need to try to bring Tete, our own family members. 5-star family. Plus
5-star, you don't go beer, bro.
Gene.
Beer now.
Wait, not true. Now before beer. 5-star. I'm Cronenberg. 5-star Cronenberg. How far behind I go before? And 3-3. Hey, Jesus.
And Dubik.
Dubik beer. Jehovah, very one maybe. This is signs of end time. But anyway, we'll get Harry song for inside studio. That song when I hear reggae blues where they tear up and down. Oh, Jehovah, very.
No, Uncle, you good Harry song. Which one do they used to call Harry song?
Harry song now. The one we're supposed to be comedian. He can't change, can't become musician.
No, defining kind of which kind of clothing? A fashionista?
No, na Casey be fashionista. Casey is a fashion icon.
Okay, and okay, say about traffic light. Is it that one?
What did they call traffic light? Yes. Casey is the fashion icon.
Oh, so immediately a superstar gets to the studio and we don't blow.
Anyway, Casey for inside studio today. Casey, Skiibii Mayana. I don't hear just about Skiibii. Say Skiibii die or Skiibii not die or Skiibii wake up or say then do publicity stunt to make him record for selling, make people for know whether he go or he don't to go. Or Skiibii don't resurrect. He don't come to show today now. Today for follow up on a discussion. Go no matter what happened through because we tell them say today una must come here today. Contact people. We're there for around the world. All of una we're there for Germany, America, Malaysia, Tanganyika, country where we not even know.
And get it Tangerine, Nedu.
Tangerine no be country now. Jamie Alade na sing that song.
Nedu, please don't disturb me. I'm telling you.
Tangerine. And then we might get Michael Okpara. In fact, that one is a bloggist. He get the blog what they call channel, baby channel they call What's Force or call Water Force or call What's Force. I don't know. But anyway, we go back some more checking the break for you. Want to come back? Make we watch video.
Nedu, don't interrupt me. I'm trying to tell the international community say we have superstar in the studio. Malaysia, Thailand, Japan, African. So please don't disturb me. Nedu, please. I'm busy. Just don't interrupt my spiritual
I bet more watch video. When we come back, Casey, Skiibii Mayana himself, the resurrected one, aka the resurrected one, plus including Harry song, they go down sit down for inside studio. When they come back, Nana, don't go anywhere. Are you with me? Casey there for inside. Mona Jonas is welcome. Casey the Lim. In fact, I don't know how they call Casey. In fact,
just call me name. That's all, Nedu.
Casey the Limpopo master. The pullover.
Hey,
Kruna. The Opekete Kruna. The love boat pilot. Come and do.
He has a can-do.
He has a can-do attitude. And then we also get Harry song, Mr. Song himself. In fact, the owner of reggae.
Now you wear for his shirt. Reggae blues.
Oh, they love fella one now. And then we get the resurrected one, aka Skiibii. Skiibii Mayana. Therefore, inside studio. I'm going to join us. Welcome, Skiibii. Skiibii, welcome. Now, we go open the phone lines, but before we open the phone lines, we go allow make them talk quick. We go ask first of all, make us start with Casey. We'll go ask Casey, and then our phone lines go open in the next 5-10 minutes. Make all of us begin the call to take for talk to Casey, Skiibii, and Harry song.
If you not fit get through our phone line, I beg send us a tweet message at W Night Show on top Twister. You all sit down there. Twister. Okay, couldn't bother. I leave that thing where back at home say called Twister. So Twister, I got Twitter. Don't worry, will understand it. So am I okay? Doc Twister. When you want, I don't a message as W Night Show. So you can tweet at us. My board and remember for any kind of member near my borrow. I didn't care about this one. I didn't care about this one about in the middle. That's all for now. That's all for time control. So for saying I'm going to my sister.
Don't jog it. I jog it, jog. What is it? What is going on?
Yeah, I will them get for you are too much. Give me 5. Oh, that's my brother from another mother.
Hey, dross, mama ina senya dross.
No, Mbo, that's my brother from another mother.
Senya dross, I'm dross one. Anyway, Casey 5-star, welcome for inside when I show today. But quick, before we two lose waka, Usimeko ask una. Thank you first of all, so na carry Skiibii come. So the Skiibii never too strong finish. He don't well, but he never too ginger. Well finished for now to drag and come outside to come make sure so we clear air on top this matter where they go up. But first of all, make I ask, waiting happen.
Okay. Also, as you say, first of all, make myself use them. First of all,
go down low.
I'll say thank you for the opportunity to express ourselves. And if you not see my eye, I come on my glass. Sleep not down for 5 days, no sleep, you know. Man still close up. We get communication and interpretation for the whole matter. When lead to waiting make the matter escalate to the level. Now, the long and short of it now, this young man been no well, you know, in slum that morning, Friday morning, and then rush him go hospital. And the thing happened for him brother house for Sulere Ijesha. You know, and when the thing happened, of course, neighbors there, people there around. And the thing from there, they escalate. People can't spread the rumor. Now, then they try to reach me also. So
you're not in Nigeria at that time?
We there airborne, they connect flight to another city. You know, because me and Soso leave country Thursday night because of my Europe tour. So as we reach Turkey, me and Soso separate flight because of the rush for this summer, so we don't get same flight. So me, they go Norway, him, they go Denmark. And our first show now for Denmark could have been Nedu. You know, so can't go Denmark. Now, in first me land, I see the land, he begin receive call. Say, Skiibii don't die, Skiibii do, Skiibii that. So, in can't call him boys, way they on ground. And boys say, yes, Skiibii fell. It be like, say, the boy don't die. So now, Linda, they call Soso immediately to get information. Soso carry the information where the boys give him.
Without even cross-checking whether it's correct or
like,
not.
Say himself just here and he just land, he phone the ring. Because he under that tension and that pressure, you know, according to him. So when he tell Linda that, Linda herself put up the story. And the editing catch like fire. You know, so when me can't land, I see like 60 missed calls immediately. My battery just way full, you run down. His WhatsApp message too much. I can't cry because I just see people don't already put them on Instagram. Say Skiibii don't die, Skiibii don't die. I call Harry they cry for phone. I call my other boy Chido, they cry. Say hey, they never hear from him, but now the thing they spread everywhere. You know, so we wait there inside the house, we never get the right information. The story don't go.
Happen, gunga.
So we be our manager, we there abroad. We supposed to clarify the matter for house first. You don't put candle for Instagram. So now so the matter can't be complicated. So from that point, radio, TV, everybody don't pick them up. The thing don't go viral. You know, so when I land, I call my brother him on, he say nothing do him. Nobody say nothing do him. Say he never die. In the hospital, they collect treatment. Say don't move him. From the hospital when brothers put him to one St. Timothy Hospital. So now there they can't take care of her. Immediately I go on my Instagram. I put her, say, Skiibii never die.
Never die, you.
I call Linda. Linda herself can't put the story. Now there the matter can't change. Now, before the resurrection, when they say don't die, they say me and my brother don't use and do money.
I want to ask you that person. I want to say that don't use and take the ritual.
We don't kill him. Now, when we come say, okay, he never die, you there alive, they say, okay, when I want to use and do publicity, then still they find fault. You understand? Nobody wants to check the matter the way it is.
So now miscommunication.
Miscommunication from our manager. So even when me arrived this morning, like 4 a.m., you know, I even jammed Hip TV people for airports because I've been put on my Instagram side. They wait for me. Then they there. So them talk to me, follow me, go house. You know, when my brother come down from in room in the morning, he even fire the Soso. He tell her, say, leave my house and say, you know, manage us again. No go work with us again. Now.
So we feed the traffic, they say the chat card now.
They do not be like that.
You know, so that's so the guy they get. We just fire him because honestly, he's not the professional.
Yes.
To break news like that, even if the thing happened.
Even
like
if
that,
not to say it happened,
yeah,
then they not be so they take
so. It wasn't professional.
Like
that matter no be small matter. My mother, they cry when I call her. My sisters, everybody they cry. Harry they cry. Me, I came down from the flight. I they cry. I say, why Skiibii? Why I leave yesterday? You understand? So That was too rough. The play no good.
The one where they snap picture when he fought, because after this thing where you talk, not be today. That thing, say even Nedu self, Nedu come be like say, in personal family member don't die. Me and Issy, they try to resurrect Nedu. Nedu no even, Nedu no answer us. Nedu just day somehow. He can't show us see picture when they go around, say when in life or ground, all that person tweet say, he say, he no go believe, say Skiibii dey alright. He say, Skiibii talk, now me will confirm, say,
no,
he go talk. The picture, that particular picture will go viral. Na picture where we don't snap like a month ago or 3 weeks ago when we go South Africa. That picture now for South Africa, for one hotel where we stay, 20 West. Now, the apartment will snap that picture. Now, if you look one of the picture where they put out, I did by the side of the picture.
The way you wear black.
Yeah, start now. Then in the morning when we go Mandela event where we go for. Then in the night we been do club appearance where we perform, me and Harry Song and him. And at that point, everybody don't come back from party. For inside a room,
okay,
people,
and the picture,
inside the room, people plenty. In Friends Day, because me, I did another hotel. In Friends Day, in some girls did the room, people plenty. So him sleep for grand. For there, according to him, saying he sleep for grand, he lie down for there, It maybe my friends take the picture. So the picture came out from after the gist.
After the gist, make it for be like say something there to show say he fall. Now they come.
Not be waiting in where that day be that. Not be that. Not be Nigeria be that. And not be from us the picture come out. When I talk to Linda, I say a person send them to her.
Linda, they always get person they give.
A person send them to her. And other bloggers too, we been talk the matter like Stella Dimoko been talk and say somebody mailed the same picture to them. Do you understand? So when this thing don't they go viral, I think somebody will either get this picture, put them out. It can't be like saying that day. Islam. No. The story don't go before this picture begin fly. This picture begin fly in between, like after the thing don't go viral.
Okay.
Now this picture come out. Now we see the picture. So not be we put out the picture.
Okay. Now you don't hear so far from Casey. Our phone lines go they open now. All of them where they call. Mokuna call to take for talk to Casey, Skiibii, and Harry Song. Our phone lines on they open now. Mokuna begin to call us. Now Harry Song, make I ask you. I remember that morning. You supposed to come show. You supposed to come our show that day. When I call you, you say you there for. If Harry Song scatter that day, Harry Song say even him and him they say so he don't die. Where they go back that day. So him can't even handle the matter well. He handle the matter well. Say he never get any information to give now. Say make them first go handle the thing first of all. Then he go call back to give information. Now Skiibii, make I ask you. I hear G say this thing not be the first time where it happen to you be this. Say it don't happen. Now the third time where you don't NEPA don't take lot for your body be this. Now tell us your own part of this gist.
Okay. My partner say on Thursday, a day before that day, me and Harrison they do radio tour.
Yes.
We been come this side, say.
Yes, I remember.
So all day till night, we day house together, we sleep. Then the morning we supposed to continue. I tell them to make I quickly go see my people because I know they see them often based on waiting what they do. Then I go my brother's side. We've been there together. We don't even talk, gist finish. I just want to go when that thing can happen. And it don't happen to me before, like twice. It don't happen for hours before where they carry me go hospital. It don't happen for inside plane when I go SA. I fall. They can't get stop the flight first. Attend to me well. People with the inside plane said, sorry, till I can't get myself. We can't fly that day. So that's why I fall that morning. I mean that morning.
Yeah,
I fall.
Morning.
Friday
morning, sorry. Yeah, Friday
I fall. Then later I wake up for hospital and I don't see my picture. People can't come visit me. They show me pictures. Say see. People they write see waiting we think. Me I don't cry today. I don't do this. See waiting we see for internet. See all the artists where they post rest in peace. Everything.
I want to ask you. Wait, I think talk this thing now. For my BB, Skiibii, you need to repent though. It's all those video vixen, all those guys where they shake bomb for video.
You don't need to demonstrate them. Yours talk like that now.
I know what they talk. You see that video now? Where KC there for one, without they get blues, get one get wear black, they shake patam. I get like 10 video vixens for my BB. No beside they follow them do anything. No, we just We just be friends for BB.
No, just know.
Now we don't know.
They do. Don't let my brother. Your
they just know. Wait, we don't know.
Wait till I know they do, sir.
No, they attend the same fellowship.
Just know them.
Fellowship.
Harrison, you know them now.
No, carry me along this year fellowship.
Like 10 of the babes. Oh, Skiibii baby. One change the name to Kaxi Mayana. You know Kaxi, Abby? That one changing them to Kasim Mayana.
In your videos.
All of them, like 10 of them, different. Oh, Skiibii, oh my love. But what happened? I was with you yesterday. I say, my man, I say, what did they do yesterday when they did together? Anyway, Harry, for your own part, I think it was gist. You don't finish the gist how it take happen. Now, but first of all, we self will go tell you, make you go that thing where they make you off light. You need to go hospital, go check yourself.
We go on the matter. We on the matter.
Harry, how you go take? Because people say the gist wake on the fly up and down. I say, as in case you TikTok, say KCO, Imonu, they don't use Skiibii to do money ritual. Now the first gist wave us come out. Then when in can resurrect, they can say, he hair too strong. Now make can no work. Now, when they say he hair too strong, some people can say, say nah. Stunt. Now, what do you get to talk about this whole matter?
Me, I know. Me, I get the news when I come interview.
Yes, you come here that day.
Yes, I come this side when I get the news. You know, because of the whole happiness and joy for reggae blues. And when I begin to get the news, I get very confused. Because I don't begin to try to reach people. I don't feel reach people and they get more of the rest in peace thing for everywhere. I don't begin to cry. Say, hey, what's in there happen? And I don't feel get through to him. I don't feel get through to his family. You know, Casey come call me, say, what's in there happen? I say, nah. As I did here, so myself, I don't know. They try to get through to Skiibii. Casey self, for the voice, when they talk, voice they shake everywhere. Everybody don't they wonder. But before I can't get through to him now, I get to my CEO. My CEO can say they don't reach to him. Say they don't change the hospital way to another one. I go reach there, doctors them, they try to attend to him.
Sorry, more take call. Joy from Abuja, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Sister in the Lord, how is you?
Fine, thank you.
They can know you, but you don't used to sound like this before.
Joy.
Yes, lady.
Would they hear you? Would they hear you talk?
If you do get a boo.
Hey, boo. Hey, boo.
How are you today?
I am fine, Joy.
How everything now? It's so good to hear you, Harrison.
Yes, so Onto Reggae Blues is very, very, very fine.
You don't talk finish?
No, I don't too excited.
I love you.
I love you too. My reggae blues, I love you too.
Joy.
Yes, Nedu.
Bye. Bye. Get out of here. In Igbo, say Bapo. Magdalene from Lagos here. Good evening.
Nedu, good evening.
Not be saying they talk before. For they don't enter negativity.
Nobody take me serious.
Good evening.
Happy to see you guys.
Thank you, my sister. How you doing?
IzyBeatz, my party of life. How far?
Good evening, Jerry. We're fine.
I'll tell you my personal person.
Yo, my sweat baby. I don't know how it stings.
Skiibii, I'm a resurrected man. We are happy to have you alive again. That day, if you see Kowe catch me. I know he walk, but I'm happy to see you alive.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for taking care of him. Harrison, may God continue to give you guys the strength for you guys to, continue to help me to take care of him very well. If you know sick as that,
one of your video vixen.
Are you with me?
I am with your video vixen.
Okay.
Bye. Magdalene. Hello. Skiibii.
Thank
Okay,
you.
Twitter. Is it
Emmanuel Kofi.
Is it greeting? I beg, make I hear in voice. Where you be?
Where you did since?
Where you been since? In a year, so now. And then Skiibii. Now what for this?
Where you been, boy?
Where you been, boy? Skiibii. Now what for this? For the talk. Oh.
Nedu code frequent. In English, frequent. Frequent adverb describing a word, a verb. Okay, we do adjective describing a word, a noun. So continue.
Skiibii, now what for this your frequent attack? I beg, regular checkup go help. If now waiting, you know what to make people know. Health na where to mbok. Harry, you go make them for wrestling, I swear.
What's your boy?
What happened?
Wrestling theater.
I don't know.
And then, greetings to KC 5-Star Music and DJ IzyBeatz. You don't become bet
Are you correct them now?
Missed the show since holiday. Good to be back home. Nice show. Bye-bye. Ask Skiibii if he take tramadol. What is tramadol?
Yeah.
Tramadol. Did you?
Tramadol? I mean, who want tramadol? All these girls, where they...
You know, say, now girl they call.
Not the girl.
Okay.
The pic of the SA tour go viral.
The picture.
Oh, what pic again did they hear now?
Now you go correct them. Now people understand. Between me and you, video, I'm going to pick. But
the picture of the SA tour go viral.
for go viral.
Oh, if I go viral as na tour, if na publicity stunt, una.
It's a shame. Una not try, sha.
Okay,
Read
not
it
try.
now.
Any explanation go change people belief. Now you don't hear. Na case they don't explain them to you already. Okay, good evening. Hello. Before we enter read another tweet messages. Hello, good evening.
Hello?
Brother in the Lord, how is you?
I'm fine.
Hey, GK.
Hey, GK, talk now, you never chop. I go get.
Okay.
Bye, your TV day too loud. When you don't release and call us back.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.